Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into looping tasks in Ansible Playbooks. If you've ever felt like you're repeating the same task manually, don't worry, Ansible has a better way. Loops help us automate repetitive tasks, reducing errors and saving time. Ansible makes looping simple, and when done right, it improves configuration management. Stick with me and soon you'll be looping like a pro, no actual running required. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Alright, let's talk about loops. Imagine preparing the same meal over and over. You wouldn't start from scratch every time, right? Loops in Ansible work the same way. They execute tasks across multiple items, saving time and effort. With loops, playbooks become cleaner and more scalable. Plus, automation workflows become more streamlined. So let's get cooking. Looping. Why loops? Well, think of them as your personal assistant in automation. Instead of repeating steps manually, loops take care of it in one go. They save time, ensure efficiency, and maintain consistency in your tasks. Whether managing servers or deploying software, loops simplify everything. Imagine having to install packages one by one. Loops take that pain away. Trust me, loops are the unsung heroes of automation. Let's get technical. How do loops actually work? In Ansible, loops are defined inside tasks using either with items or the newer loop keyword. They can iterate over lists, dictionaries, and more. The best part, the syntax is simple, so even if you're just starting, you'll get the hang of it in no time. Stick around and I'll show you how easy it is. Loops are like an assistant that never complains about repetitive tasks. With loop control, we get even more flexibility, almost like giving our loop a few extra brain cells. By tweaking parameters, we make sure our loops do exactly what we want. And of course, preventing infinite loops is key. Otherwise, our code might take a coffee break forever. Sometimes, loops need an emergency exit, kind of like dodging an awkward conversation. The break statement lets us escape early, while continue politely skips over certain cases. Smart conditional checks make sure we exit smoothly, keeping our code efficient and preventing it from running in circles. Unless you want to keep debugging for fun. Ever feel like your computer is rushing through things too quickly? Sometimes loops need a breather. Using sleep lets us slow things down when necessary, like sipping coffee instead of chugging it. Timeouts keep our loops from running endlessly, and pauses even make apps feel more natural. A well-timed delay can make our code behave politely rather than like an impatient toddler. Loops are powerful, but reckless looping can cause trouble, like asking too many follow-up questions in a conversation. Efficient conditions keep our loops running smoothly, avoiding unnecessary nesting helps prevent headaches, and caching speeds things up. Most importantly, defining clear exit conditions ensures we don't end up stuck in an eternal loop. Unless, of course, you want a code-driven existential crisis. Loops can trip us up in unexpected ways, like mistaking a revolving door for an exit. Off-by-one errors can throw everything off, and forgetting to update loop variables properly can turn code into a puzzle. Keeping computations outside the loop reduces unnecessary work, and monitoring resources makes sure the program doesn't run out of steam halfway through. In short, loops are lifesavers when it comes to handling repetition. Knowing when to break out, when to pause, and how to optimize them makes all the difference. When done right, loops keep our programs running smoothly, without getting stuck in an endless cycle of confusion. Now go forth and loop responsibly. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.